With over 20 years of experience, Columbia Asia is fully committed as a leader in healthcare sustainability practices. We are dedicated to enhance community well-being while safeguarding the future by contributing to a greener and more sustainable environment. By pioneering solar projects in Malaysia, we aim to set a benchmark for environmental responsibility in healthcare. At Columbia Asia, we prioritize our patient safety. During the installation, Columbia Asia ensured uninterrupted electricity supply at the hospitals, maintaining stability for our critical medical equipment and round-the-clock operation. Working with Solarvest, we developed a solar PV system that meets our safety standards and have successfully installed rooftop solar PV systems. Partnering with Solarvest, our hospital has installed a 3.4 megawatt peak solar capacity, generating approximately 4 gigawatt-hour of clean energy each year. This powers about 34,000 light bulbs annually and offset 2.5 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. This initiative not only reduces our environmental footprint in the long run, but also promotes energy efficiency. We are focused on advancing our sustainability initiative, including installing solar PV systems across more Columbia Asia properties, establishing electric car charging stations, and reducing single-use plastic. We are also working to minimize the environmental impact of anesthetic gases by replacing high-emission gases like desflurane with greener alternatives. Additionally, we plan to replace our air conditioning chillers with newer and more energy-efficient models to further reduce our carbon footprint. These efforts reflect our commitment to a more sustainable and eco-friendly healthcare environment.